It's been a fantastic campaign. I'm very proud of what these guys have done. Every single one of us is striving to do better. That is actually kind of our motto in a way. We just want to be better each time we step on the pitch. We're very pleased with where we're at right now, but actually there's far more to come from this. We focus on us, we focus on what's going to get us to a point tomorrow where we are able to perform at the best of our ability. They are the top ranked group in this campaign for us, so we respect that. Just like we've respected every single team we've gone to, we've prepared very well to the best of our ability, and we have to, whether that's been for Kazakhstan or England. We have to win every game we step on the pitch for. If we want to be successful and we want to get to the top level and compete against top nations, we have to have that mindset, and this is no different. We're preparing to try and win a football match. I'm smiling lots today because I'm just thinking of what's actually coming in the future. I'm smiling to see what levels we can attain tomorrow, but I'm actually looking far further forward than that. It hits home that the things we put in place are working. That's how I look at it, they're working. This project is a project far bigger than just these guys. You know, everything we're trying to do within Wales right now for females is bigger than just our national senior team, but thankfully our national senior team are getting the profile for all the other things we're trying to do. And it's a big project, and a project that in the long term is going to be taken over by somebody else and continued, hopefully. That's what I hope for. I'll be here for a certain set of time and set certain things that hopefully can be continued and progressed in the future, maybe by some of these that are sitting next to me right now.